Assuming that you're not a mind reader, the first step to becoming a Florida real estate agent is knowing that you want to be one. You probably have your reasons. Maybe you love houses and helping people find their perfect home. Maybe you're good at math and like the challenge of striking the best deal possible. Or maybe you watch too much reality TV and now think this is your dream job. I won't judge. The second step is actually pretty simple. Follow these 9 easy steps and voila, you'll become a Florida real estate agent like that. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. Step 1, meet the prerequisites for a real estate license. In order to be a real estate broker or agent in Florida and apply for a real estate license, you must meet certain qualifications. These include being 18 years of age, having a social security number, having a high school diploma or GED. If you meet these pre-qualifications, you are ready to start studying for a Florida real estate license. Step 2, complete a real estate course. Florida requires real estate professionals to complete 63 hours of approved education before they can apply for a real estate license and start working as a real estate sales associate. Those education hours need to cover topics like real estate business foundations, real estate and real property laws, how to work in a broker firm, and financing and mortgage options. These are the necessary topics you must know to work as a real estate sales associate in the state of Florida. This is all considered pre-license education because you'll complete this education before applying for licensure. For the best online real estate schools in Florida, check out my video that I'll link above. Moving on to step 3, pass the course exam. Your real estate course will end with a real estate exam. This final exam will ensure that you learned everything you needed to during your real estate education to move to the next step in the process. You must pass your real estate course final exam with a score of 70% or higher. If you do not pass, you can take the test one more time within a 1-year period. Failing a second time requires you to retake the course. Step 4, get fingerprinted. Next, submit your fingerprints to the state's Department of Business and Professional Regulation, DBPR. You must make the submission 5 days prior to applying for your real estate license. This allows the state to do a background check to ensure that you're safe to work as a real estate professional. Step 5, apply for a real estate license. The next step is to fill out the license application. This is also done through the DBPR. All you need to do is fill out the application and submit it. Upon approval, the DBPR will send you a letter with an RE application ID number. Step 6, prepare for the real estate exam. Your real estate school final exam is just one test that you need to become a real estate professional. You also must pass a real estate exam covering both Florida and national laws before you'll become a newly licensed real estate agent. Some students find it helps them to take a pre-license course to help prepare for this exam. This course will focus specifically on what you need to know to pass the state license exam. Step 7, get a sponsoring broker to sign your real estate license. Florida requires new real estate agents to have a sponsoring broker, which is a licensed Florida real estate broker who is willing to sign for you to get your sales associate license. Even if you pass the realtor exam, you will not get a license without the signature of another Florida real estate broker. Step 8, gain real estate experience. Once you pass the license exam, the next step is to gain experience in real estate. Many new agents will apply to work in a real estate brokerage for that experience before branching out on their own and potentially becoming their own broker. Of course, you can earn real estate commission even while working for a brokerage as you gain experience, as long as you have passed your licensing exam and have your real estate license. Step 9. Continuing education. The state of Florida requires all agents to pursue post-license education to continue working as a Florida realtor. Before you renew your broker's license for the first time, you'll need to complete more real estate salesperson training. When considering your continuing education options, take a close look at your real estate career. Consider whether you're a seller's agent or a buyer's agent, and look for a course that will cover the areas that you need help with. This is different from your pre-licensing course, which covers the same thing for all agents in preparation for the licensing exam. So here's some frequently asked questions that I get about how to become a real estate agent in Florida. How hard is the state exam for Florida real estate license? The Florida real estate exam is a challenging test that ensures that real estate sales professionals are well versed in state and national laws. It requires preparation and ideally a licensing exam prep course to pass the test and become a realtor or broker in the state of Florida. What are the requirements to become a real estate broker in Florida? To become a broker in the state of Florida, you must have completed 24 months as an active licensed real estate agent. Also, you must complete a 72-hour pre-licensing course that's just for real estate brokers. Next, you'll also need to take the Florida Real Estate Broker exam and pass with a score of 75 or higher. Then finally, before you can renew your broker's license, you'll need to complete an additional 60 hours of post-licensing education. Alright, well, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads, and I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called the Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now, I want to turn it over to you. Are you looking to become a real estate agent in Florida? What step are you in the process right now? Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.